Here we've got Honor 20 Lite, and let me show you how to reset all settings on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select System and Updates, and click on Reset. And here you will notice Reset All Settings, so if you truly want to perform this action, just mark it, and then tap on Reset All Settings. Now you need to confirm it by tapping on Reset All Settings again. Just remember that this action cannot be undone, so you need to be 100% sure that you want to do it, that you want to perform this reset. And if you do, tap on Reset All Settings. And that's it, that would be all. As you can see, it has been already done, so congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.